Going on. Yes, we are live. People of the Philippines. I am with Filipino who works here in the Philippines because she is a Filipino.
Yes.
Okay, good vibes only, people of the Philippines. I'd like to ask, Ida, you work, right?
I work.
Do you pay your taxes?
Every month.
Okay, I'd like to ask a question. Pag ikaw ba nagbabayad ng tax, kahit piso, kahit 100 piso, kahit 100,000, 1,000,000, whatever it is. Hindi, teka, ang nagbabayad ng tax pala yata is if you work and earn 100,000 a year, right?
No, everybody pays that.
No. Kailangan 100,000.
There's
may,
a bracket.
May bracket.
Yes.
100,000. Okay, tatanungin kita. Kasi merong sinabi si 150 Arte. 'Di ba? Ang sabi niya sa akin, you know who she is. Ang sabi niya kasi, kaya daw ako nagagalit sa kanya is because kaibigan niya si Alice Eduardo. That's not true. One of the many reasons. Hindi ba? Kung bakit. Okay. Nagbabayad tayo ng tax, hindi ba? Ano yung maingay na yun? Nagbabayad ka ng tax, nagbabayad rin ako.
Yung songs mo.
Hindi. Kay Patti Pineda ata yung song na yan patayin natin. Don't forget me. Hindi naman tayo nakikisawsaw. Hindi ako nakikisawsaw sa buhay ng ibang tao kung hindi naman sinasawsaw ang buhay nila sa akin. Many times over, nagsawsaw po ang isang Chris Aquino sa buhay ko. I'd like to answer that.
I will.
Pero let's talk about the taxpayers' money. Unang-una kasi hindi naman niya binanggit kung ano yung totoo. Hindi ko ibabanggit yung totoo hanggat hindi niya aminin ang totoo. 'Di ba? Ako naman kasi, I've always been transparent. I don't have reason to lie. I don't want to lie. It's easier to say the truth. Okay, yung kay Alice Eduardo, hindi po totoo. Ate Alice Eduardo has always been my friend. Wala kaming alitan ni Alice Eduardo. Sa kapatid niya, kami may alitan. For businesses, I don't want to disclose for now unless i-disclose nila. Si Tony Coangco na aking 25 years in February 2, magiging partner ko in 25 years. In February 2, 25 years na kami. He's a businessman. Marami siyang ginagawa na entangle katulad ng aking mga necklaces. Nag-entangle tulad ng mga nangyari.
Parang negosyo.
Parang negosyo lang, di ba? Nag-entangle. I'm so not into the business world. Alam niyo naman ako, puro showbiz. I'm anong tawag natin? Pag creative, artist ka, creative ka, you're not good in business. I accept that. Iniiwan ko yun kay Dada.
Entangled.
Okay, bashers, hi! I miss you. How are you? Trolls! Mga binabayarang trolls. Hello, I'm drinking Aquapana. Water! Yeah. Anyway, good vibes only. Life is short. Let's all be happy. YOLO. You only live once, not twice, not 3 times. We cannot buy life. Yun ang totoo niyan, mga kaibigan. Nangangawit ang aking arms. I wish I had brought my yung taga Green Hills na
Selfie
stick. Iniwan ko sa aking bahay doon with my daughter in Tiburon. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, ano ba sinasabi? ng ating pinakamamahal na drama queen na si Chris Aquino. Ang sinasabi niya nadamay siya. Hindi po siya nadamay, dinadamay niya ang sarili niya. Kung sinasabi niyo sausawera ako, mas sausawera po siya. Hindi po ako nagsasawsaw sa suka kung hindi niya sinawsaw ang kanyang buhay sa aking buhay. Ako po ay nananahimik matagal na. When she was in power, ladies and gentlemen, sinawsaw niya ang kanyang fingers sa aking buhay many times over. Like with Alice Eduardo. Sinasabi niya, Alice Eduardo, okay, I hate to do this because Alice Eduardo means a lot to me also. Si Alice Eduardo po, many years ago, a few years ago, had in trouble with her tax. I don't want to say it, but I will say it anyway because that's me. Ako po yan. Nagkaproblema po si Alice Eduardo sa tax niya po dito sa Pilipinas. She was being charged a lot of hundreds of millions or billions of pesos po at tinulungan po ni Chris Aquino kay Kim Inares, if I'm not mistaken po, para mapababa ang kanyang ibabayad kay Kim Inares o sa gobyerno po natin. Yun po ang nangyari. At that time po, I was having tampuhan with her sister, which, you know, I refused to even say her name. Kasi hindi match ang kanyang name sa kanyang katawan. Small ang katawan niya, pero big ang kanyang attitude. So, I'd like to tell the truth. Ako naman, honesty lang po ang pinag-uusapan natin. You get it? No, I don't want. You know, ang akin kasi, I didn't want to tell the truth. Ginaganon-ganon ko lang naman di ba? Kasi, there's always a reason kung bakit tayo sumasawsaw. Ayoko magsawsaw, pero meron tayong pinanggagalingan. Whether you bash me or not, I really don't care. But at this point, I will tell the truth. Chris, kung talagang mahal mo ang Pilipino at ang buong Pilipinas, sana prinotektahan mo ang mamamayang Pilipino. Because at that time na your brother Abnoy was in power, he was the president of the Philippines. Di ba dapat kung kailangan magbayad si Alice Eduardo ng kanyang tax, na tayo, mga Filipino people, ang talagang, how do you say it in Tagalog, yung No, we will, how do you say it in Tagalog? When,
Translate, what's it in English?
in Tagalog, pag ikaw, you know, when you Filipino people, how do you say it? Tayo we will
Reap the benefits.
Yes, we will reap the benefits
Of the correct tax.
Yeah, pero alam mo, tinulungan kasi ni Chris Aquino at that time si Alice Eduardo sa kanyang tax na bumaba ang bayad ni Alice Eduardo sa tax niya. Alam namin yun dahil pinagkakalat din ni Alice Eduardo at ng kanyang mga kapatid na tinulungan ni Chris Aquino at ang halaga lang daw ay binabayaran lang daw ng mga pinagsha-shopping ni Gary, the gay friend from LA. Gary Garcia from LA, parang he would buy things from the States and send it to Chris Aquino. And of course, I felt so bad because, alam mo, for whatever, yung mga pinagsha-shopping lang, yun lang, parang and she was supposed to pay a hefty amount. Doon pumupunta. Pero one of the many reasons lang yon, mga kaibigan. No, I'm not gonna stop. May mga nagsasabing stop. I'm not gonna stop. You know, Filipino, I am a Filipino. We all pay taxes. We all work very hard. So, my point is, prinotektahan ni Chris Aquino when she was in power and she said, I love Ate Alice. Whatever, girl, you love her so much. You know, in exchange of like bags and clothes and shoes. And that's so not fair. And you know, right now, I mean, I hate to gloat that, you know, you're suffering right now. I mean, we don't like that. we don't like that. We don't gloat when somebody is suffering.
Yes.
Because that is karma. But right now, that is what's happening. You know, what you do, what you give out into this universe, you will receive. And I will stop.
Yes.
Kung ano po ang nangyayari ngayon, I mean, lahat naman tayo may pag-iisip. Pag-isipan niyo po, whatever is happening to us right now is
Make your own judgment.
you make your own judgment. So good night, everybody.
And